So here we have section 5.4, exercise 68. And in this exercise, we're supposed to just find the second derivative. And we're given that g of x is equal to the square root of x plus e to the x log x. So second derivative, well, okay, so g prime, well, that's x to the 1/2, so I'll make that 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 by subtracting the 1. Now I've got a product rule, so I'll take the derivative of e to the x and get e to the x, multiply times log x, plus e to the x times the derivative of log x, which is 1 over x. Now, the question is it helpful to simplify it all? Maybe a little bit. I could factor out the e to the x. Don't have to. It's just that right now, when I take the second derivative, I see two product rules, product rule there and there. But if I factor out the e to the x, I only have to do the one product rule. And I'm going to rewrite the 1 over x as x to the negative 1, since it's a little easier for me to take that derivative. And so now, second derivative, g prime of x, second derivative, bring down the minus 1/2, I get a minus 1/4 x to the negative 3/2 plus, now I have e to the x, the derivative of e to the x, which is e to the x times that thing, so log x plus x to the minus 1, and then plus e to the x, and times the derivative of that stuff in the parentheses, so that's 1 over x, and minus x to the negative 2, because I bring down the negative 1 and so forth. So, I have a couple of the x minus 1s. This is the answer. I don't see any great ways to make it extremely nice looking. I got negative 1/4 x to the 3/2. Now I've got e to the x and all the other terms, so I could write e to the x. And then I've got the log x, and I have two of the 1 over x terms. So I could write that as 2 over x. And then I have the minus 1 over x squared term. And, I could write that first one as 1 over x to the 3/2. But there we go. There's the second derivative, and number 68.